So I'm using Starlink in this property. It is Casa Linda Villa Standard one, Sun Breeze, but it doesn't matter. And I have Casita here, and I'm going to install Starlink. I put antenna on Casita. Okay, for what? For that, I'm going to drill. For that, I'm going to drill above AC hole with a hammer drill. I have hammer drill. Need to have hammer drill. I have good hammer drill. It's a Bosch, whatever Bosch hammer, and it's going to be drilled above this AC. Okay, and here I'm using from Starlink router. Okay, and another I'm going to use a mesh. This is Starlink connection, and I fish this net. I don't want to put it back. I put it after. I show after it, and the mesh is to the mesh. I fish it, and I go to house and show you how I install the mesh. Because now here I can show probably, but the visibility. Yeah, you see it's coming. You see probably here it's coming into the wall, and it's standard network cable, which I connected to the Starlink. This is Starlink newer generation. I have two ports. One port for my VPN router, which I need for my. If somebody will need how to install and set up VPN router, I can help with that. It's not problem. But we are now talking about how to install Starlink device on the roof of Casita. Or well, you see. And first I tested everything and configure out. Did all configuration for Starlink antenna. Show where it is in house for the mesh. As you see, it's my mesh device. Okay, I have 3 of them, which is more than enough. It's enough, I think, for 2-bedroom too. Here is my another mesh device, which is, look, you see connection from Starlink coming to this mesh from when they connected to the Starlink router in Casita, and I fish it. It's coming through the wall and connected my mesh. The speed is very great. I'll test speed after and show you how good speed is. Yeah, and I show you number 3 mesh, which is located in further bedroom. You see it's number 3 mesh. Okay, and let's go to Casita and drill the hole. We don't need to forget close cover AC, because it's a dust can damage AC in the future. What is important to cover it. Yeah, and what is important to remember, this is not first hole. First I did smaller hole. I have special drill for it. I'll show it. Yeah, and I suggest to use very small diameter drill, first one, small one, to make a hole which is going to be direct bigger, because cable has a connector. Connector is used, network cable usually bigger size. And I can tell you the size of drill a little bit late. Okay, now I'm going outside and we'll continue to drill from outside, because wall is deeper than this one, and I'm so close from AC as I would like to hide, cable under the IC. I mean network cables that size of AC do not let my drill go through. Why I need to go outside? Yeah, and I'll show you a small hole which I drill here. From the drill smaller diameter, like which this drill give me direction. You see, it's very small hole, but I know on my wall where it is. Yeah, and now I'm going to make an exact correct size hole for the cable. Yeah, let's cover end of cable with just cover it. Okay, I'm using duct tape, normal duct tape, green color, it doesn't matter, you can use any color. It's left from my son project, and it stays somewhere in basement in Canada for, I don't know, maybe 12 years, and I recovered it. You see, you can just cover end of the cable, because cable has a connector and it can be damaged when you will go through the wall. Yeah, it's better to cover it, to wrap it with something. Okay, like that. Okay, now it's good. But later I will hide it in the PVC pipe, probably a small diameter to hide it probably would be nicer, but even that is okay for now. But my vision, small pipe PVC and hide there, and make an angle, correct one, and it would be much nicer. Yes, and how it look like inside. This cable you cannot see because it's entry behind the AC, but the cable need a track, special track, and put it in corner with special track, hide it, and it's going to be very good. Is now people say you can put it on the glue to for example ceramic tile in the morning, I mean bottom and top of this antenna, glue it with PL glue, or you can leave like that. It's low profile, wind will do not, its design will do not touch it, it's gonna stay. It's my roof and it's view around. See ocean over there. Which are going to be connected, and I'm going to hide a cable inside, like inside. Yeah. I purchased this hiding track. I will use this stuff. Actually, it's very nice because it's having like in different direction you can make it, and even with sharp angle in opposite direction. Like if you need to do it in this way, it will work too. And I will try to hide this cable from Starlink. very nice tools to cut. Yes, I can say it's like that, and I hide everything, all cable inside this truck, all cable was hidden. And it's, for me, it's a little bit short, but it's nobody will see down there, but it's a little bit short. I plan to do a little bit differently, like down and angle, and end it with angle, with short angle. But it was not enough, this element.